Hi everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to be going over price elasticity of demand. So essentially that is the measurement of the responsiveness of quantity demanded by consumers in response to a change in price. And there are three types. There is inelastic, there's elastic, and unit elastic. So inelastic demand is the idea that there's a smaller change in quantity demanded, percent change in quantity demanded than the percent change in price. So an elasticity of demand calculated with this function right here would yield a value less than 1. And then unit elastic would yield equal to 1, which is essentially the idea that the percent change in price is equal to the percent change in quantity demanded. And then for elastic, this would mean that the percent change in quantity demanded exceeds the percent change in price, yielding a elasticity of demand greater than 1. And so essentially, the very informal explanation for this is, how does an individual change what they're buying in response to a change in price? And so one of the examples that I thought of was, okay, for an inelastic good, it's something that is essential to your life, that no matter the change in price, your quantity demanded is not really going to change all that much. And so for people with diabetes, for example, that could be insulin. Insulin, no matter the price of it, you will likely have to buy the same amount because you need it to live. An example of a elastic product or an elasticity of demand example would be a name brand of chips or a name brand anything at the store, right? It's not necessarily an essential. So you would, as price increases or changes in either way, the quantity demanded is going to change a significant amount. So you can see this graphically in these two visuals, where you have inelastic demand right here, which is very steep, representing the fact that a change in price will yield a small change in quantity demanded. And this over here, elastic, represents the fact that a small change in price will yield a significantly larger change in quantity demanded for elastic. So yeah, overall, the elasticity of demand really just measures how a consumer responds to a change in price when it comes to quantity demanded.